and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. Today's video is yet again an Ajio haul. Now I personally wanted this video to be a very wide specific kind of an Ajio haul. Now I had shopped quite a lot from Ajio and all these are t-shirts from Ajio, but the main thing is that all these are white color. And white is such a basic color. I feel that everybody should own white in their wardrobe, at least 2 to 3 pieces which are more versatile and can go up with any outfit. So I think that white is one basic color which everybody should own. So without any further blabbering and without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. So the first top which I wanted to show you guys is this particular top. Now all these came in separate packages and the rest came at a bigger Ajio ka packet. If you guys have watched my previous Ajio haul videos, you guys would know what I'm talking about. So this particular top is 100% cotton. I can guarantee you on that particular part. 100% cotton. It's from the brand itself called Ajio. It's their in-house brand, and this one I had purchased in the size medium. It's such a stunning top. Now what particularly struck me is that it has got an elastic kind of a thing going on from the lower section. So what happens is that when you are wearing this particular top, this elastic section would cinch in at your waist area and this would go as a frill kind of a thing at the bottom. So very beautiful, very pretty top. The overall print is somewhat like a chalk. Now how you write chalk on a board, so that is kind of a print overall. It has got this print all over it, like all over it. It's such a beautiful top. It's 100% cotton. It's of really good quality cotton and I love this top so much. I think that I'm gonna wear more of these tops in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned. So next up which we have is again another beautiful print, very cute print kind of a top. Now this one is again from their in-house brand which is Ajio, and this one I had ordered in the size L. Now what it's written is that above all try something. That is like ultimate good motto which one can have. Above all try something, you know, instead of sitting idle. So this particular one has got very cute little prints all over it. It has got a shoe and with the laces like that of a wings. So you guys will be able to understand what I'm trying to tell you. So this particular thing has got the overall print all at the back as well, in the front as well, but only in the front this has got this patchwork going on. It's written on it, and this one again is 100% cotton, guys. It's such a stunning top. The sleeve part, it has got a folding, one part folding, and that's it. It's almost like a cap sleeves, and this looks so good. You have to trust me on this part, like literally you have to trust me on this part. 30 p.m. and I haven't had my lunch. I'll just quickly finish off with this video and then go for my lunch. So the next t-shirt which I have, now I personally love this t-shirt because of the print. First when I saw it on the website, I thought that it's painted. It's kind of like fabric painting on a t-shirt, but then when I got it, I'm not disappointed. But then when I got it, it's kind of printed kind of a thing, but it almost looks from the far that it's a fabric handmade kind of a thing. This is how the beautiful top looks like. Look at all the stunning colors it has on this particular white top. This is again from their in-house brand Ajio and this is in the size M. Just look at it. I loved this top. It has got so many beautiful prints, beautiful colors on it, and this one again is 100% cotton. It's plain white basic top, but this whole particular work is just adding up that jazz all together. Such a stunning, simple, but it's yet stunning and beautiful. Next again we have one more. Now all these tops are from Ajio's in-house brand. They do really have good quality, I have to say. This one is again from their in-house brand and this one is a size S. So this one, I personally love this one because it has got so many religion in one particular thing. Now I am open to all. Now we should be welcoming enough, we should be kind enough to all certain kinds of people. We shouldn't be like, you know, creating boundaries for this kind of people, for this segment of people. I believe that we have reached in a community where we have to be welcoming, we have to be kind to each and everyone, irrespective of any religion. Because when we are suffering from this pandemic situation now, I realize that so many people are suffering, and I think that they shouldn't be suffering anymore, even if they are not particularly of your caste, of your religion. I feel that everybody should be helped, everybody deserves to smile, everybody deserves to stay happy in their life. It's just, this particular top says it all. It's so beautiful, it's so stunning. And one thing, have you noticed, it's written L, then O, then VE, love everyone. This particular top has to be my favorite top. So beautiful, guys, so beautiful. It is simple at the back, but it has got just this print at the front part. Let me know which one is your favorite. Moving towards the last top. Now this one is again one of my favorite because I used to play this game so often during my school days, and when I saw this one I thought that, you know, I have to get it. It's so beautiful. This one is again from their in-house brand, and it is in the size S. Now all the prices will be mentioned on the screen, and I will also mention the links in the description box down below. And if I don't find the exact top, I will mention similar items in the description box down below. So this is how the top looks like. Did you guys understand what it's trying to say? It's like stone, paper, scissors, which we used to play. Now I used to play during my childhood. If you guys still play that, let me know in the comment section down below. So it's such a stunning, it's written in a very different language, but it means that stone, paper, scissors, which we used to play. I don't know what the language it's written. Let's settle this as adults. Look at it. Let's settle this as adults. It's written as Rocher, Papier, and Syzax. I don't know which language it is written in, but it definitely stole my heart, and I had to get this one. It's simple from the back, but it has got this particular print in the front. It's so good, guys. It's so good. All the tops which I had shown you guys are 100% cotton. You have to trust me on this. So let me just quickly take a thumbnail. That was it for today's video, guys. I do really hope that this video was informational and helpful for you. If you guys are also a white color lover like me, don't forget to comment down below. I also love colors like black and yellow, but white is such a versatile color. I feel that everybody would look good in that color white. So I wanted to make this video ASAP so that you guys can go ahead and check that huge sale going on at Ajio, and you guys can purchase these particular tops. And let me know in the comment section down below if you have any other video request. I would definitely try to keep that up. Till then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.